They are actually flying about at the moment. I should have called them the grey arrows the other day. They might land, and I've got some pigeon nuts on me today, so I'm going to have some pigeon fun today. There they are. So, let's see if they... I'll try to follow them. There they come. The grey arrows, I should have called them. So hopefully they can come down and see me in a minute. Try to zoom in closer. Can't really see the colours because it's not a very bright day today. Is Perky in the lead? No, I don't think he is. I think they're going to come and land soon because they're getting quite low now. Whee, the grey arrows. I think they're going to land soon because they're getting very low. And it must be able to see me here. It'll make me go dizzy. Whee! Try to zoom in a little bit closer. Like I say, it's difficult to follow them. How fast they go around. Trying to zoom in. It's not easy. Getting closer. We're still not landing. Oh, it's difficult to keep up with them. I'm going to zoom out because it's too difficult to keep it on zoom. Here they come. The grey arrows. Faster than the red arrows. There, the grey arrows. There's only couple of red ones in there. Most of them are grey, so I'm going to call them the grey arrows today. Look at that. There's a market here today. Really, Perky's in the lead and they're still not landing. Must be a lot of energy to oh look, they've done a turnaround. Amazing that. And they're going to land. I thought they were going to land, honestly, because they're quite low. Well, they might come and land next time though. I think they might come and land soon. And Perky will see me sitting there with some nuts. But the problem is I don't know whether they come down because there's a market on today. Oh, Perky's in the lead. No, he's not. Let's say he's too big. Too big and heavy now. Because I've given too many nuts. Whoa, the grey arrows. They don't want to land today. I'll watch them come over this way again. They're going to land. I think if I throw some nuts down they might. Right, let's get my nuts. There they are, look. Doing a turn around again. They're still not landing. Been flying around for a good 10 minutes now because I saw them flying around as I was walking up here. So I don't know if they're going to come down today or if they're going to land here, or I'm hoping they're going to come down. They are getting quite low now. They must really see my pigeon nuts. I just dropped some. Oh, I missed that. That's so good. Trying to film them best I can. The grey arrows. Whee! Say, if they had smoke on them, that'd be cool. Come on, land. We're all waiting for you and the seat's wet again. Everyone's waiting to see you all. Don't know whether they're going to come down today. Where are they gone now? Can't see them at all. They're all completely gone. Oh, here they come. Grey arrows. No, I think they're going to land. Surely they're going to land this time. They've been round about 50 times now. I'm getting bored. Here they come. I'm not getting bored. I love pigeons. Look at that. Come on. Come on, Perky. Come on. Don't think they're going to come down because there's too many people down here today. Oh, come on. Don't know where they're gone. I'm completely out of sight now. See, sometimes they go and land on another building somewhere. There they come. They don't want to land today, do they? They're enjoying having a fly around today. So, just have to wait. Here they come. The white, I can see the white one in there. Oh, they're going to land over there. Oh, no, they're not. Oh, come on, land. They don't want to land today. Somebody must have fed them lots of nuts already. Here they come. I'll drop some nuts down then. But I don't think they saw me. Perky might have saw me. They're going to come back. Here they come. I'm not going to land today. The grey arrows are not going to land. Be here forever. There they go. Turn around. Oh, I'm not going to land today. And they come around this way, done a turn around somehow. The grey arrows are coming in. And we're never going to land today. Don't know why. They're getting low though. They're starting to get low. I think they might land this time. But yeah, I might be flying around for another 10 minutes more. So completely out of sight, they're coming over this way. Grey arrows. Oh dear. Here they come. We'll do another turn around. God, they're having a real fly around today, aren't they? I want to feed them. I've put some nuts down. But obviously they're too busy flying. It must take a lot of focus flying, really. I'm not just going to talk about pigeons and things, you know. I'm not just going to film pigeons in the future. I'm going to go and see swans and all kinds of things, you know. I like all birds. But I don't think they're coming back. I think they've landed somewhere else. So that's it from me. That was the grey arrows in action. Hope you enjoyed that. And I'm also going to talk about philosophy in the future. And if you go to my playlist, you'll see my philosophy channel, which I'm doing with my best friend. So have a good day and love all birds. Sorry they didn't come down today. I don't know where they've gone. I think they've gone land on the old field behind, on Pigeon's Corner. This is Pigeon's Row. But I'm not here. I'm not come here today. So grey arrows. Have a good day and love all birds.